Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Nirmala's Cooking Magic. Today I am sharing you lovely black rice kheer. Let's see how we going to do that, because I am not sure how many of you actually try this particularly. Black rice is very tasty and very healthy also. Black rice is also known as forbidden rice. Black rice is an ancient variety of rice. This rice is loaded with antioxidants and gets its dark color from the antioxidant known as anthocyanins. It's the same nutrient that is found in many purple color fruits and vegetables. It has the highest protein and fiber. The high fiber in black rice helps to keep you feel fuller for a longer time, and hence black rice is ideal for a weight loss and weight management. Black rice is also a good source of iron. It's great for skin and hair due to its vitamin E content. So let's get started and see how to make this lovely black rice kheer. First you take 100 grams of black rice and wash the rice a couple of times. Then soak it for 1 hour. Boil the 500 ml full cream milk on medium flame. Let the milk come to boil. So you can see the milk is come to boil. Now I am going to add the 1 hour soaked black rice or forbidden rice. Just mix it nicely. Make sure you stir the milk at intervals so it does not stick the bottom, and continue to boil the milk about 20 minutes on medium flame or till the black rice cooked nicely. The black rice cooked with milk beautifully. Next I am going to add the sugar. If you don't want to use sugar, you can always substitute with jaggery. I am going to add about 5 tablespoons of sugar. You can adjust the sweetness according to your taste. If you need more sugar or jaggery, you can add it. Next I am going to add the half teaspoon of cardamom powder. Now add the cashews, almonds and raisins. Mix it all together. Black rice kheer done. It looks absolutely delicious and so fragrant. Turn off the stove. You can serve the kheer either hot or at room temperature. And do try this recipe and let me know how this turns out. If you are new to my channel, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.